Well, doing an interesting little job here at work. I thought it might interest Mr. Andy Walmus. He asked me to take a video of at work. I don't know how long this is going to play on, but putting a heavy-duty radio in the tractor, 1486 International of some customer of ours. Just testing and tuning here and touching wires and getting it going and seeing what works and what don't work. So far, the left speaker makes a little noise, not much. The right speaker don't do nothing when I touch wires, so now I got to pull it out of there and see if it's junk or what the problem is. So, yeah, I just thought this was kind of interesting that I actually got to do some audio installation work. I'll show you my pretty fascia plate. Took the old Dremel Moto tool and cut my faceplate into the original 2-knob. Took out the old school Pioneer turd. That baby will go in the pile. The old 2-knobber. Cut it up to put that together. So now once I get it all set up here and get some speakers working, I can put it in there and it'll look like it was supposed to be there. Well, almost, in a 1970 something 1486. I don't suppose it's supposed to have a weather band radio, but heavy duty. It's funny that they use Jensen heavy duty radios in all these tractors and have really good luck with them. They're just a radio with a weather band. They don't have CD and they don't have cassette. They don't have none of that fancy crap, but they hold up to the shock and stuff real well in these things, obviously. I had to rip the whole roof panel off the top of this because some retard drilled a hole through the roof and bolted the old radio to the roof with one of those stupid plumber strap piece of crap on the back. Just a piece of junk setup. Let's see. Speaker. Don't seem to move. Yeah, I got my colors mixed up. Looks like we got a black and a yellow there. That could be the problem. So the black one might be the one that's going to be. They switched it up. The other side was a yellow and a green, and this side's a black and a yellow, evidently. Let's see if we can get her to make some noise here. Power there. Crank her up. Yellow. Nothing. Wrong, yellow and black. Maybe. Try green and black. Get nothing out of that speaker. Maybe the speaker don't work. We'll give it a shot. Oh. Yep, dead speaker. Diagnosis complete. Wow. Now that's an old school speaker. What's it say? Roman Industries, model number CP480, 8 watts nominal power. Ooh-wee. Big power. 8 watts. Big power, baby. Anyway, there's my video for the day, working on the 1486. Putting in the old Jensen. Peace. Alright. I'm going to put new speakers in it, so I figured I may as well have add an unboxing to the end of this video. I got enough battery left in my phone. You guys see these Hot Rod $50 a piece speakers. Oh, with super fancy connections. Good Lord, look at that. RCAs on the end of a slug. Oh. Ain't that nice? Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Nothing but the best for this baby. What are these, a 5x7 or 4x6 or something? It's a 4x8. Oh. 20 watts. Moving up in the frickin' world now, baby. 20 watts. Got some nice suspension in there. Oh yeah, stiff, buddy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Them are gonna pound. Them are gonna pound. Maybe I get some sound now. That'd be good. Noise now, boys. Now I gotta figure out what's left and what's right. Right, violet, and of course heat shrink butt connectors, because they're awesome. For the win. Black, yellow, black, yellow. Yellow's positive. Yeah, I suppose that's about enough. About enough footage. Got her all going and working. I'm going quickie when I get done. We ain't got shit for stations around here, but man, it sure is loud. Try the weather band out.
Canadian high pressure over the Midwest will keep temperatures below normal for this time of year, but temperatures will be warmer than yesterday. Highs today will moderate to the upper 40s and low 50s, with onshore winds will keep lakefront areas in the southwest winds on Saturday will enable all areas to warm well into the 50s.